So the maintenance covers things like the backup. So we do a daily backup of the website so that if anything happens, we can restore. It's very important. For clients that have a very busy websites, we can do it every hour. Do a backup every hour. So we can recover, an hour is like a very small window, but most clients don't need that. They add maybe a blog post or, there's stuff happening, but generally a daily one is absolutely fine. We do updates of all plugins, themes, WordPress itself. We just make sure it's all kept up to date at all times. We do thorough monitoring using multiple things like Google Page Speed, GT Metrics, ESET, Antivirus, Google's Safe Browsing, multiple of these things. I think there's about 9 of them that are sitting checking the site all the time, every day.